Hello and welcome back. Today we have an easy story for you at an A2 level. Anna and her friend Tom are going shopping at the market. Don't worry about every word. Just relax, listen, and follow along. Let's begin. It was Saturday morning and the sun was shining. Anna and Tom walked to the market together. The market was in the square, in the middle of the town. It was busy and full of colour. There were fruits and vegetables, fresh bread, cheese and flowers. Anna loved it at once. "I come here every Saturday," said Tom. "The food is fresh and it is cheaper than the supermarket." Anna smiled. "It's wonderful," she said. "Where do we start?" They stopped at a fruit stall. The apples looked red and shiny. "How much are the apples?" Anna asked the woman at the stall. €2 a kilo, said the woman with a smile. "That's cheap," said Anna. She bought a kilo of apples. "Here you are," said the woman, and she gave Anna a paper bag. Next, they went to the bread stall. The smell of fresh bread was everywhere. Tom bought a loaf of bread and a small cake. "How much is it?" he asked. €4, please," said the man. Tom paid, and the man said, "Thank you, and have a nice day." Anna wanted to buy some cheese. At the cheese stall, she pointed to a big yellow cheese. "How much is that one?" she asked. "That one is €12, said the man. "Oh, that's a bit expensive," said Anna, so she chose a smaller piece. "How much is this one?" "Only €5. "Perfect," said Anna. "I'll take it." Their bags were getting heavy now. They bought tomatoes, some flowers for Anna's new flat, and 2 cups of hot coffee. They sat down on a bench in the sun and drank their coffee. Anna looked at all the busy people, the colourful stalls, and the fresh food. "Thank you for bringing me here, Tom," she said. "Now I know where to buy everything." Tom laughed. "A market is the best way to learn a new town," he said, "and it's cheaper too." That evening Anna made a big salad with her fresh vegetables, and she ate a piece of cake with a cup of tea. It was a good day, and she already knew where she would be next Saturday morning. Let's review some useful English from the story. A market, an open place, often outside, where people buy and sell food and other things. Anna and Tom went to the market to go shopping, to go and buy things. They went shopping together. Cheap, when something costs a little money. The apples were cheap, expensive more when something costs a lot of money. The big cheese was expensive, and a kilo of a way to measure food, about 1,000 grams. Anna bought a kilo of apples. Finally, a very useful question for shopping. How much is it? We use this to ask the price of something. How much is it? How much are the apples? That's our story for today. Anna had a lovely morning at the market with her friend Tom. Do you like markets? Watch it again tomorrow, and you will understand even more. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next story.